guys, today I'm going to be changing the light bulb in my oven. Ding! But before you do it guys, you need to unscrew the cover. Most parents or mums would understand what I'm talking about. The cover for the light bulb. You have to unscrew that. Then you want to unscrew the light bulb. But you have to turn the cover and light bulb anti-clockwise. Then, once you've swapped it, you have to turn it clockwise. Maybe that's why it didn't work. I've just realised, guys, this bulb's bigger. This bulb is actually bigger. So guys, I just had to get a lamp because I can't see a ting. There. Now guys, I'm going to test it. Well, it's working. That is how you fix your oven bulb, guys. Boom shakalaka, ding dong, ding.